Thanks so much for joining me in this video today. If you've got an auction house and you're looking for an affordable, professional looking website, you're certainly in the right place because today I'm going to be showing you how to do exactly that on the Mighty Sites platform. If you haven't heard of Mighty Sites before, Mighty Sites is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own website in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card details needed. So click on the link below this video and give it a go. Once you've registered an account, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your market at the top. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles. We are adding more markets every single week. Usually I'd head to the top and search for my market, but I can see it right here. I'm going to go ahead and select that template. Awesome. Let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our auction house so it can generate a simple website for our business. I'm going to go ahead and put in my city and my state or region. And it doesn't matter where in the world your auction house is located, you can enjoy the Mighty Site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and click on continue and let Mighty Sites work its magic. And there you have it. It's literally created us a website with the information I've just put in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see, completely free to use. However, I'm sure you've got some amazing images of all the different items you are auctioning off in your business. You want to showcase them on your website, maybe some rare collectibles or something along those lines. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do that. It's super simple to make amendments to your website. You don't need to know coding. You don't need to be a web professional of any kind. And you certainly don't need to hire someone to help you with this either. You can do it all yourself. So let's go ahead and click on the first section at the top. Go ahead and put in our company email address. We want to make sure that email address is displayed on our website. So I'm going to go ahead and tick the box directly underneath to display it on my website. Let's go ahead and pop our phone number in, and that is click to call, by the way. I'm now going to go ahead and pop my street address and my physical location if I have one. Great thing about that address, when your customers click on it, your website is live, automatically will take them to Google Maps. Let's go ahead and put in our social media platform accounts. So customers can easily give us a follow. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. Let's go ahead and update that logo. Awesome. If you don't have a logo, I recommend you check out canva.com. Lots of great free options on the website. Logo's been uploaded. If you want to make minor amendments to it, crop it, rotate it, zoom in, add filters, go ahead and click on the little pencil over it. Otherwise, click on save and you can make it bigger and smaller on the right. Now with Mighty Sites as well, we've pre-selected all the colors used throughout your website for you. If you want to change it, maybe to go with your branding and your logo a little bit better, you don't need to know color coding. All you need to do is click on the little paint bucket on the bottom right hand corner, go through the various color palettes available for you to use. Now for each section you want to make amendments to, click on update section directly underneath it. Head on over to update image. If you've got your own images, browse your device and upload them. Otherwise, search through the photo library, hundreds of images to choose from. Play around with the keywords a little bit, search for various keywords, and just see what pops up. Lots of suitable images over here. For the content, this was pre-written as a guideline for you just to make your life as easy as possible when it comes to launching a website. If you want to make amendments, go ahead and do so. Button can link to various places. Go ahead and click on choose link. You can link to another website if need be, an action, or upload a PDF file, which is a great option for a brochure or catalog. Look at that. That looks fantastic. Awesome. Over here in the last section, your customers can reach out to you with their queries and concerns. They need to put their details and click on send. You will get notified via a registered email you have a new lead from this form. Also, find all your leads over in your Marty dashboard, which I'm going to take you to shortly. If you have a custom domain, go ahead and click on connect your domain. So I already have a domain. If you don't have a domain yet and you want your website to look even more professional, click on I want a new domain because you can now purchase your domain by the Marty Sites platform. Over here, you're in your Marty dashboard. This is where you can find the leads via that form I've just shown you at the bottom. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your business and really wishing you and your business Marty success.